Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Ajnanam Timirandasya Jnananjana Shalakaya Chakshuran Militam Yena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Namo Vishnu Padaya Krishna Prishtaya Bhutale Srimate Bhaktivedanta Swami Nitya Namine. Namaste Saraswati Deve Gauravane Pacharine Nirvishesha Shunyavadi Pashatya Deshatarine. Jaya Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Shivasadi Gaura Bhaktavinda. Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare. Sarva Shastrabdi Piyusha Sarva Vedaika Satpala Sarva Siddhanta Ratnadya Sarva Lukaika Drikpada Sarva Bhagavata Prano Shrimad Bhagavata Prabhu Kalidhantvaditadita Sri Krishna Parivartita Paramananda Pataya Premavasyaksharayate Sarvada Sarvasebhayo Sri Krishnaya Namastume Madakabandhu Matsangin Madguru Manmahadana Manistaraka Madbhaigya Manananda Namastute Asadu Saduta Dayi Noti Nicha Chutakaro Hanamuncha Kadachin Mam Premnarit Kandispuraha Krishnaya Vasudevaya Hare Paramatmane Pranata Kleshanashaya Govindaya Namo Namaha. So reading from Srimad Bhagavatam, Canto 10, Chapter 1, Introduction, the Advent of Lord Krishna. Text number 24, 25 and 26. 3 shlokas I have to cover today. So let us recite the verse first. Vasudeva Kalananta Sahasra Vadana Swarat Agrata Bhavita Deva Hare Priya Sikishaya. What meaning? Vasudeva Kalananta, the plenary expansion of Lord Krishna, known as Anantadev or Shankarshana. Ananta, the all-pervasive incarnation of the Supreme Lord. Sahasra Vadana, having thousands of hoods. Swarat, fully independent. Agrataha, previously. Bhavita, will appear. Devaha, the Lord. Hare, of Lord Krishna. Priya Sikrishaya, with the desire to act for the pleasure. Translation and purport by His Divine Grace S.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada. The foremost manifestation of Krishna is Sankarshana, who is known as Ananta. He is the origin of all incarnations within this material world. Previous to the appearance of Lord Krishna, this original Sankarshana will appear before Baladev, will appear as Baladev, just to please the Supreme Lord Krishna in his transcendental pastimes. Purport: Shri Baladev is the Supreme Person of Godhead himself. He is equal in supremacy to the Supreme Godhead. Yet, wherever Krishna appears, Shri Baladev appears as his brother, sometimes elder and sometimes younger. When Krishna appears, all his plenary expansions and other incarnations appear with him. This is elaborately explained in Sri Chaitanya Charitamrita. This time, Baladeva would appear before Krishna as Krishna's elder brother. Text number 25. Vishnu Maya Bhagavati Yaya Samahita Jagat Adrishta Pravanamshena Karyate Sambhavishyati. Translation: The potency of the Lord, known as Vishnu Maya, which is as good as the Supreme Person of Godhead, will appear with Lord Krishna. This potency, acting in different capacities, captivates all the worlds, both material and spiritual. At the request of her master, she will appear with her different potencies in order to execute the work of the Lord. Purport: Parasya Saktir Vivideva Shruyate, Shatastra Upanishad 6.8. In the Vedas, it is said that the potencies of the Supreme Person of Godhead are called by different names, such as Yogamaya and Mahamaya. Ultimately, however, the Lord's potency is one, exactly as electric potency is one, although it can act both to cool and to heat. The Lord's potency acts in both the spiritual and material worlds. In the spiritual world, the Lord's potency works as Yogamaya, and in the material world, the same potency works as Mahamaya. Exactly as electricity works in both as heater and a cooler. In the material world, this potency working as Mahamaya acts upon the conditioned souls to deprive them more and more of devotional service. It is said, Yaya Sammohita Jiva Atmanam Trigunatmakam. In the material world, the conditioned soul thinks of himself as a product of Triguna and the three modes of material nature. This is the bodily conception of life. Because of associating with the three gunas of the material potency, everyone identifies himself with his body. Someone is thinking he is a Brahmana, someone a Kshatriya, someone a Vaishya or Shudra. Actually, however, one is neither a Brahmana, a Kshatriya, a Vaishya, nor a Shudra. One is part and parcel of the Supreme Lord, Muname Vamsha. But because of being covered by the material energy, Mahamaya, one identifies himself in these different ways. When the conditioned soul becomes liberated, however, he thinks himself an eternal servant of Krishna, Jivere Swarupahai, Krishna Nityadas. When he comes to that position, the Supreme Potency, acting as Yogamaya, increasingly helps him become purified and devote to his energy to the service of the Lord. In either case, whether the soul is conditioned or liberated, the Lord is supreme. As stated in the Bhagavad Gita, Maya Yakshana Prakriti Suyate Shacharacharam. It is by the order of the Supreme Person of Godhead that the material energy, Mahamaya, work upon the conditioned soul, Prakriti Kriyamanani Guni Karmane Sarvashaha. The bewildered spirit soul, under the influence of the three modes of material nature, thinks himself to be the doer of activities which are inactually carried out by nature. Within conditioned life, no one has freedom, but because of one is bewildered, being subject to the rule of Mahamaya, one foolishly thinks himself independent. Ahankara Vimunatma Kartahamiti Manyate. But when the conditioned soul becomes liberated by executing devotional service, he is given a greater and greater chance to relish relationship with the Supreme Person of Godhead in different transcendental status, such as the Astarasa, Sakyarasa, Vasalarasa, and Madhurarasa. Thus, the word's potency, Vishnumaya, has two faces, Avaranika and Unmukha. When the Lord appeared, his potency came with him and acted in different ways. She acted as Yogamaya with Yashoda, Devaki, and other intimate relations of the Lord, and she acted in different way with Kamsa, Shalva, and other Asuras. By the order of Lord Krishna, his potency Yogamaya came with him and exhibited different activities according to the time and circumstances. Karyate Sambhavishati. Yogamaya acted differently to execute different purposes desired by the Lord, as confirmed in Bhagavad Gita. Mahatmanastamim tumam partha davim prakritam ashrita. The Mahatmas, who fully surrendered to the lotus feet of the Lord, are directed by Yogamaya, whereas the Duratmas, those who are devoid of devotional service, are directed by Yogamaya. Text number 26, Shishuko Vasa, Itya Adisha Amara Ganan, Prajapati Patir Vibhu, Asvaisha Sa Mahim Grivi, Sadhama Paramam Yu. Shishukuta Goswami continued, after thus advising the demigods, specifying Mother Earth, the very powerful Lord Brahma, who is the master of all the Prajapati, and is therefore known as Prajapati Pati, returned to his own abode, Brahmaloka. Okay, so first of all, I like to seek blessing from senior devotees like Sivash Prabhu, Sankarshan Prabhu, so that I can speak on this subject. Although this subject, actually speaking about Maya, who is in Maya, is very difficult. It's very difficult, but still, it is said in Srimad Bhagavatam 2nd canto, said that Maya Varnita Amushya Ishwari Sonamuditaha Shinvata Shraddhaya Nityam Maya Atma Namuryati. Said that if someone knows Maya and explain about Maya, then he is not bewildered by Maya. So although I don't know, but by the mercy of the devotees, we'll try to explain whatever Srila Prabhupada said and whatever other acharyas given on these 2-3 verses. So it is said in the 24 verses that when, before that, Brahmaji was saying that what will happen, how Lord will come, is explaining. So here is saying that Vasudeva Kala Ananta, the expansion of Vasudeva, he is going to appear as a Ananta Shesha. Ananta means who is unlimited. Lord also unlimited. So his incarnation, who comes immediate after the Lord, after the Krishna, Baladev, he is also unlimited. And he has a Sahasra Vadana, 1,000 heads. 1,000 heads means actually he has unlimited heads. He's unlimited heads. Why? Because Lord is Ananta. So he has unlimited. Sahasra Vadana, just figuratively said that Sahasra, we cannot count it. And he said that he appeared, Lord appeared as a Swarat. Swarat means normally we know that he's independent, but it has a different meaning also. So it is saying that Swarat means normally Swa. Swa means with. Rat means, it can give me like who act independently or who appear with the Lord. So Rat means like existence. Rat means it comes from the Raj, means to shine. So when Lord Balaram come, when Lord Krishna come, Balaram also come with him. Like when Lord Ramchandra come, Lakshmana also come. So what is the purpose of Lord Balaram coming? It is said the last is said that Hare Piyo Sikrishaya. Lord Balaram come to give pleasure to the Krishna. That's why Lord Balaram is called, he is like a service personification. It's called service personification. That means whatever service we do, it's all expansion of Lord Balaram. Like see, Pujari sometimes does arati. Like he used the paraphernalia. This paraphernalia are expansion of Lord Balaram. And jewelry put to the deities is also expansion of Lord Balaram. So whatever paraphernalia we used for the service of Krishna, it is all expansion of Balaram. So now question might come, why Balaram is coming before Krishna? So there are 2 causes are mentioned. First cause is said that before coming the Lord, let me give a material example. Like see, we are right now in Govardhan. If we know that Prime Minister is coming here, so before Prime Minister come, who will come here? his representative will come, correct? And his intimate representative will come. What is the purpose of coming? To create an atmosphere. So that, and even before coming, he will make all the arrangements so that because he loves. Similarly, Balaram, he loves so much Krishna. So before Krishna comes, Lord Balaram comes. For what purpose? To create an atmosphere because he wants to serve Krishna. So that's why, one more cause is given in Shahasra Namastatra. Other day, Sankarshambu was explaining this. It's like in Ramayana pastimes, this Lakshmana appeared as a younger than Lord Rama. So, but he could not help. Because he was not independent, he had to obey the orders of Lord Ramchandra. And being a younger brother, Lakshmana could not help, could not relieve from the pain. So that's why he said that this life I could not do anything, but next life, definitely I am going to be elder than you. Why? Because I am to serve you. But Lakshmana, he faced so many difficulties to serve. Even sometimes he became very angry with Kaikeyi also. Very angry he became. Why? Because of that, whatever this Kaikeyi shown, that nature. But Ramchandra took it as a mercy, but Lakshmana could not take it. So the purpose is that to serve. So that's why you have to be very, very careful that while using the Lord's paraphernalia, we have to feel that this paraphernalia is not different from Lord Balaram. It's an expansion of Balaram. We are using it. Sometimes out of negligence, we misuse it. So it is what the Prabhupada said in the purport said, this Lord Balaram is an immediate expansion. And from him, what comes first? First Chaturvya, correct? Then, next Shankarshana come, correct? Vasudha Shankarshana Padunanurudha. Then again second Chaturvya. Like this Vishnu's position, Mahavishnu's position is so down. So it is mentioned Sri Chaitanya Charitamrita. So the purpose of Balaram is that he helped each and every devotees to engage in the service of the Lord. That's why he has another name. It's called Shankarshana. What is the meaning of Shankarshana? Actually, Krish. It comes from the Krish. Krish means pulling or engaging. So Shankarshana means who engage everybody in the service of Lord Krishna. So that's why Lord Balaram is called Adi Guru. What is the purpose of the Guru? To engage the disciple in the service of the Lord. So what is the purpose of Balaram? To engage each and every devotees in the service of the Lord. So that is the purpose of Lord Balaram. So that's why Balaram is called Adi Guru, and it is mentioned in, I think, one of the bhajan that Sashishuta Holoze Balaram Hoilo Nitai. That means what? In Kali Yuga, Lord Balaram came as a Nityananda. So and then 25 shlokas is explaining that about this Vishnu Maya Bhagavati, about this Vishnu Maya. Vishnu Maya means that that Maya is not different from the Supreme Lord. So it has two aspects. One is called Mahamaya and this is called Yogamaya. And this Mahamaya and Yogamaya act differently on different person. Like Mahamaya act on non-devotees and Yogamaya act on devotees. All the both are same. There is no difference. But Prabhupada explained in the purport that it's like electricity. How is electricity? Power is one, correct, but use different. Sometimes we are getting heat, sometimes we are getting cool. So both are one, electricity only. If you go to the source, electricity. Similarly, Maya is one, that is Vishnu Maya. But it acts differently in different ways. So that's why Prabhupada quoted that Jiva is builded by the Maya. Why Jiva is builded by Maya? What is the problem with the Jiva? Prabhupada quoted one verse from first canto Srimad. We said that Yayaya Sammahita Jiva Atmanam Trigunatmakam Parapya Manatanatam Tat Kitam Savipadyate. That means, although Jiva is superior to this extra energy, Para means is superior, but it is builded by Maya. The problem is Atmanam Trigunatmakam. He is thinking himself that I am body, everything belongs to me, everything is for my own enjoyment, and whatever you see, it's only for me, nothing else. So in the third canto Srimad Bhagavatam, it is said that when Jiva comes in this material world, this is all like a vritti. So it is Chasagra Andatamishram, Atatamishram Adikit, Mahamohamsa, Tama Chaignana Vrittiyaha. It's all a vritti, occupations of Jivas. What is the purpose? To cover the Jivas, because Jiva wants it. So Lord Brahma, when he created, he just supplied according to the desire of the Jivas. All the Jiva is superior to the external. He said, Aparam itastvo Jiva Bhuta Mahabahum. All that is superior, that it is builded, because Jiva is in marginal potency, so it has a nature. So example is given like Tata. It's this Tatastha Shakti. It's like a Tata means like on the bank. On the bank we see the person has two desires. One is either he can go to the sea, in the water, or either he can come to the bank. It is up to him. Similarly, living entities, if he wants, he can come under external energy. If he wants, he can come under internal energy. It's completely dependent on the Jivas. So the purpose of Maya is that, question might come, why Lord has created these two Maya? Actually, Lord created only one Maya, but we wanted different things from the Lord, so Lord supplied that. So we can ask, why then Maya is traveling us in this material world? Answer is given like, it is said that actually the Maya doesn't want to give trouble, but we want to forget Krishna. That's why Maya travels. But Maya doesn't travel us who wants to remember Krishna, who wants to serve Krishna. So now, question might come, when we are covered by the Maya, it is said, Krishna Bilya Jiv Anadi Bhurimuk Ataya Maya Tarada Samsara Dukkha. It's Anadi. There is no history for that when we were builded by Maya. And next verse he said that how Maya gives us trouble in this material world. Very interestingly, he said that Kabu Sarga Dubai, Kabu Naraka, Kabu Sarga Utai, Kabu Naraka Dubai, Danda Zana Raza Jana, Noditi Subai. Very interesting. He said the king, when he punishment, how he give punishment? Sometimes he take the jivas inside the water. When he is inside the water, what he feels? Very much trouble. It's too much suffering. When he comes out from the water, what he feels? Wow, wonderful. So in the material world, every jiva is experiencing like this. But problem is that we forget that. It doesn't remind us. It doesn't keep us long time. So we can see in the material world, in our own experience also we can see, sometime when we get trouble, it becomes so serious. But when we overcome the trouble, we come out from the trouble, we forget everything. I had a friend during my job life. So he got married. So during delivery, after delivery, I went to see. I went to see because he was my roommate. So I asked him. I asked that Mataji, how are you? He said, I'm wonderful. I said, how is your experience about delivering the son? He said, it's too much. I am not going to take next one. It's last. I said, so you have experienced? He said, yeah, I have experienced. So okay, I said, at least you got some lesson. But after 2 years, I saw that she again became pregnant. I asked, what happened to you? Why did you become pregnant again? You said that was last, and again why? He said, this what to do? Because that avaranatmika shakti of Maya is so powerful that it makes us forget everything. We are also same. We are all sometimes too much enthusiasm, sometimes. Anyway, we'll do it. Correct. We forget that. So, this Maya, does it help us? It helps us also. It helps the devotees also. It's mentioned in, I think, Brihad Bhagavatamita by Sanatana Goswami. When that Brahmana, he was sleeping in Kamakhya Devi temple in Manipur. Correct? Manipur or Tripura? Assam. The Brahmana was sleeping. He had so much desire for the Lord. He wanted to attain the goal. He was sleeping. And that the Kamakhya came and said that what? You go there and take initiation from him and perform a bhajan. Similarly, Lord's Maya also help the devotees. It depends on if you surrender. So, Lord created this Maya, two energies. Both are his pastimes. Because ultimately Lord is a bliss. Rasavai Saha. He wants bliss. He wants to get bliss. So, in the material world, by using his external energy, he is getting bliss. In the spiritual world, with his intimate association, he is also getting bliss. So we see when Lord Krishna appeared with him, his Yogamaya also appeared. So he has said that Yogamaya first appeared in Braj and shifted to, the Vasudeva. He brought Yogamaya and to this Kamsa Karagara. And Kamsa tried to kill her. But actually, how can Kamsa kill? So this Yogamaya in act according to the will of Krishna, not the will of even Balaram also. Because Yogamaya is directly connected to the Krishna. And it gives pleasure to the Krishna. And it gives varieties in his pastimes. Let me give an example. Like in Brahma Vivahan Lila, we see that Yogamaya even covered Balaram also. Balaram also could not understand what's happening. Like when Brahma stolen, covered by. So the question might come here, Brahma can still covered by or not? Brahma, he has a material body. Can he touch covered by and cough? Is it possible? He cannot touch. Before Brahma planned, Brahma wanted to test that how Krishna is a supreme small boy and acting like an ordinary boy. Let me test him. Krishna understood. Oh, you want to test me? Okay, no problem. Come. Let us have some pastimes. So, when Krishna and all the covered boys are taking prasadam, food, Krishna made in such a way that all the calves went far. And here Brahmaji was thinking, oh, now this is the time. But these boys started saying to Krishna, let us go and bring the calf. But Krishna said, you don't have to worry, you enjoy your food, I will go. But when Krishna went, Krishna went, and here Brahma saw, oh, these boys are there, let me steal. But actually, Krishna created duplicate boy and calves for this Brahmaji. Then Brahmaji, Krishna went, and he saw that the calf and calf is not there. Brahma stolen. Actually, that also Krishna created for Brahmaji's bewilderment. He created. And now Brahmaji is thinking that, oh, I have created news. No, sorry, oh, I got them now. Let me keep somewhere. He kept somewhere. And when Krishna saw this, it's not there. And here also this is not there. Oh, Krishna is thinking, oh, stolen. But in Bhagavad Gita said that Krishna became like a completely bewildered by seeing what is happening. But Acharya said that, it's actually also Krishna's plan. According to Krishna plus everything is happening. Because that explanation is given that because Brahma could not touch cow and calf and this covered by. He cannot touch because they are all spiritual. Brahma has a material body. So then after stealing, when Brahma went, and he was thinking that, did I do any mistake? What am I doing? Is it right or wrong? And going and coming, it became 1 year here. 1 year. And came back. He said that Krishna is playing with all, same. There is no change. Brahma was bewildered. What is this? Now, you can understand what kind of bewilderment here. It said that Krishna, by using his external energy, he created different set of calf and covered boys. And by using internal energy, he kept all the gopas and calf in one place. So that this pastime is happening very nicely. So behind this pastime, there is one more significant thing. Said that all the gopis, they wanted to, because they are serving Krishna indirect way, not directly, but they wanted to have direct connection with Krishna. Krishna understood. Then by using his Yogamaya, what he did? He expanded himself to each and every gopas and calf. And in the evening, they all went to, when they all came to Braj. And it's looking like a same, but actually it's all Krishna. And how he did it? By using his Yogamaya. Then, after coming, this 1 year, this all the Brajagopis, they served their own son, and their love increased so much. Their love increased so much in such a way that their love for their covered boys, and here also their love for Krishna increased like anything. But after 1 year, Balaram was seeing that what's happening here. Why so much love here? And something is wrong here. And something is interesting happening here. And he got more doubt when he saw that normally, because in 1 year, there are also, that cow also gave new birth to the calf. That cow is showing her affection to the old calf, not the new calf. Normally it doesn't happen. This Balaram, he became more doubt. What's happening here? Normally, it doesn't happen. Why? And on that day, when they went to the forest, Balaram saw something more different. He saw that normally, it is happening to Govardhan actually. It's happening in Govardhan when cow saw the calf. Now he has seen that cow is running, not a calf is running. Cow is running behind to this calf. Balaram said, normally it usually doesn't happen. Normally calf run towards the cow because this small son run towards the mother. But why it is happening here? And this elderly person, those who are herding the cows, they try to stop many ways, but could not. And start thinking, what's happening? But when they're trying to stop, when they saw this covered boys, by seeing covered boys, their anger completely gone. Completely gone. And thinking, wow. And they forgot that. Oh, I know Balaram was completely different. What's happening? Something is wrong here. And he started thinking, is it because of Maya? And Balaram started thinking that, but I cannot be bewildered by Maya because I'm immediate expression of Krishna. How is it possible? And he started thinking, am I bewildered by Yoga Mahamaya? Am I bewildered by Maya of some demons? Am I bewildered by some Rakshasi? Am I bewildered by some sages? Is it possible? But I am above them. I cannot be bewildered. Then started realizing, oh no, I will be bewildered only by Krishna. Then he approached Krishna, asked, what's happening here? Something is wrong. You see this? And Balaram asked, why? This is something is different. It's not the same. Then Krishna explained everything what happened. But here Brahmaji is completely bewildered. When he came and saw this, both are same, he said that, wow, I did great offense. So it is said that bewilderment of Brahmaji is not according to the Mahamaya. It is a special kind of bewilderment, because I think last class, Shikara was explaining, this Brahma, four-headed Brahma, will not be bewildered by Krishna's externality. Na bharati me anga mishra pulakshate, na ve kachin me manasha misha gati, na me rishikani patantya satpate, yan me hridayat karnata davatadita hari. He will not be bewildered. So, by this pastime, by using internal energy and external energy, Krishna does his wonderful pastimes. And Krishna's internal energy, this Yogamaya, even bewildered Yashoda also. That we all know. So that's why it's very, very difficult for us to understand how this Yogamaya and Mahamaya is working. So Prabhupada quoted and said that Mahatmanus tumam prata davim prakritam ashita. That means those who are Mahatma means those who serve Krishna completely surrendered. There are all Devim Prakriti. Devim Prakriti means under Yogamaya. In the first canto also there is a verse that, what is that verse? Said that devotees and the Lord, so devotees of the Lord has the same quality. They are not bewildered by the Lord. So now question, how can one come to under the shelter of Yogamaya? So it is said in Sri Chaitanya Charitamrita. It's a very simple process given. He said that, what is the verse? If someone just think one time that, what is it? 1 minute. Yeah. Krishna tumara hoya jadi bole ekebar. Maya banda hoite Krishna tare kare par. If one is immediately freed from classes of Maya, if he seriously and sincerely says, my dear Lord Krishna, although I have forgotten you for so many lifetimes, Nadi, but I am surrendering unto you. I am a sincere and serious servant. Please engage me in your transcendental loving service. If someone say with this intense prayer, they say that Krishna accept that souls, and he engaged in that soul to the service of the Lord. So that's why process is very simple, but problem is that we are not ready to accept it. Actually, Maya doesn't want to bewilder it. We want to be bewildered by Maya. That example is given like Maya is like a pillar. Now there is a pillar. Here is a pillar. Now it's depend on me that I want to embrace the pillar or not. Correct. If I don't want to embrace pillar, because pillar is unconscious, it's an inferior energy. It cannot embrace me, but I am embracing the pillar. and thinking that, no, please save me. But we are not releasing the pillar. We are just embracing, holding very tightly and saying that, please save me. I want to be come out. I want to be free from this pillar. Similarly, if we just, want to be with material energy, if we are attracted with the material gunas and say that, okay, let me enjoy that, simultaneously, let me serve Krishna and go to the spiritual world. Does it work? It doesn't work. So that's why we have to select either one, either Maya or Krishna. If we choose Krishna, we'll be in the spiritual world. If we choose Maya, we'll be in the material world. Although we may in the material world, but it is also the temple is like a spiritual world. Why? Because here always, service and chanting and remembering is going on. Thus it is called spiritual. Similarly, we can be always in the spiritual world. What do we have to do? Continuously remembering Krishna, continuously thinking Krishna, continuously engaging ourselves in service of Krishna by always taking shelter of Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. We should not give any gap in between. That okay, let me give 5 minutes gap. Let me give 5 minutes to the Maya, others to this what is called this Krishna service. This 5 minutes will take us to the different world. You see, we all is happening in a practical life, that we want to, suppose someone is watching internet, YouTube, only 5 minutes, that's all. But we go to somewhere else. So that's why we should not give any gap or any opportunity to Maya to capture us and to build us. So that's why we have to be always with 24 hours Sattam Kirtayantamam Yathatanda Shadira Vataha. With great determination, we have to be always with Krishna by chanting Hare Krishna Mahamantra. By this, we can, we can perfect our life. Srila Prabhupada has given wonderful opportunity for us. He has given 24 hours engagement for each and everybody, so that we can go back to Godhead. But we don't see this kind of things in other sampradaya. But Prabhupada made such an arrangement for us that whatever you do is all for Krishna. Then it's not, that only Grihastha can serve Krishna, only Brahmachari can serve Krishna. No, it's not like this. Grihastha, Brahmachari is not there in the spiritual world. Is it there? It's not there. All are devoted, that's all. Similarly, wherever we are, our main purpose should be that let us all serve Krishna with 1 point attention. What is called Vyavasayatmika Buddhi. Ekaho Kuru Nandanaha. 1 point attention, that this is my life and soul. I have nothing to do in this material world, only to serve Krishna. By this way, we can go to the spiritual world and we can perfect our life. Hare Krishna. Thank you so much. Hare Krishna. Any comments, any questions, please?